Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up.
Today I feel comfortable with because they are traditional reservists. We train with our active duty associates on a daily basis, and we are ready for this. So I feel very comfortable flying with the reservists I'm flying with today. When we come back from this, we're going to take a lot of knowledge and bring it back to our squadron, and our members are going to learn from this, especially the younger folks we have. Like today we have 2 individuals who are on their initial wall evaluations. They're going to learn from this because in the future they're going to be doing what we're doing today, and they're going to be the experts and the people who know how to run this kind of operation.
I've been a reservist since 2008, always with the 945th. I'm a proud member of this squadron. Today's mission is very important and it's impactful for what's going on in the world today. I believe that my training is very impactful and paramount to today's mission. Today's mission is a real world mission, and we train for this every single weekend that we come out here. We have a lot of young airmen that's a part of our squadron, part of this base, and my statement to them would be always be ready. Missions can drop at any time, and this is what we train for. So take your training seriously.
There's people that need to be brought to a safer location. I actually was formerly in the area not too long ago, so it's good to be able to get back and continue to help out with the mission. So I'm just looking forward to doing what we're paid to do. To the younger airmen out there, I'm just looking back to 2 years ago, starting pilot training. I always heard the message that you never know when you're going to be called to do what you're being tasked to do, and it's just really good and rewarding to see how all the training, hard work, and the long hours of studying is finally coming into a real purpose. So it's fulfilling to be able to have this opportunity to serve.
I mean, every time we fly, we always resort to our training, but in this particular situation, it's time to put our training to the test. More than capable and confident in our crews that we have. We already have people down there that need our help. As far as the mission itself, it's unfortunate, but I'm glad that we actually have the capability to go out there and do it.